Hello football lovers! Welcome to the channel once again. If you're seriously interested in improving your football game, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going over 5 essential football drills that will help you master the fundamentals and improve your game in no time. So, whether you're training for a big match or simply wish to be a better player, these drills are suitable for both pros and beginners. So, grab your ball, put on your cleats, and let's begin. First up is the passing and receiving drill, one of the most fundamental parts of football. Regardless of whether you play as a forward or midfielder, passing is the key to moving the ball around the field and into position to score. This drill will enhance your football passing ability and ball control. Start by setting up 2 cones about 10 yards apart. You're going to pass the ball to your partner using the inside of your foot for accuracy. When your partner passes it back to you, attempt to receive the ball with the inside of your foot, letting the ball roll gently in order to maintain possession. This drill works your passing accuracy, ball control, and field vision. Start slowly, then increase the pace as you get better. Next, let's address your dribbling. Being able to keep the ball at your feet while in control is a game changer. This drill is all about enhancing your ball control and footwork under pressure. Alright, so arrange a series of cones in a line about 1 yard apart. Then weave through the cones using quick controlled touches. Make sure to keep the ball close to your feet and try to use both the inside and outside of your feet for greater versatility. The key here is to stay in control while gradually picking up your speed. This drill will really tighten up your dribbling, boost your ball control, and honestly, improve your overall footwork. Now, let's talk about finishing. Shooting is, hands down, one of the most fun parts of the game, and it's super important to work on both power and accuracy. This shooting drill is going to help you work on both of those skills. So, place cones or markers around the goal area to act like defenders. Start off by shooting the ball with the inside of your foot for accuracy, aiming right for the corners of the goal. After a few rounds, go ahead and switch things up. Shoot with power, using the laces of your boot to strike the ball. Just remember, footwork and timing are really key here. You'll want to focus on your shooting technique, making sure your body and foot are positioned to generate more power. Alright, let's pick it up with the agility ladder drill. This drill will enhance your footwork, speed, and quickness, ideal for beating defenders and improving your overall football fitness. Alright, so first, lay an agility ladder on the ground. Then, start running through the ladder with rapid steps, making sure both feet land in each square. Keep your body upright and, really pump those knees through. Once you've got the hang of the normal steps, try moving side to side or even backwards through the ladder. Trust me, this is going to make you more agile and a whole lot faster on the field. Finally, let's work on your speed and endurance. You need to be fast to be an elite player, but you also need to have the endurance to make it through the entire game. This drill will make you faster at sprinting and improve your overall endurance. Set up cones about 20 to 30 yards apart. Sprint as quickly as you can from one cone to the other and then jog back. Focus on quick starts off the line for each sprint and try to increase your top end speed on each run. Repeat this exercise for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you get fitter, you'll notice improvements in your football sprinting technique, explosiveness, and your overall football fitness. And there you have it. These 5 essential drills are your key to unlocking your football potential and improving quickly. As always, practice makes perfect. So keep working at these drills, and you'll be developing your passing, dribbling, shooting, and footwork in no time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more football tips. Have any questions or other drills you'd like to know about? Post them in the comment section below. Keep training, and I'll see you on the pitch.